Quick reality check. Everyone wants the benefits of GLP-1. Fewer cravings, better appetite control, smoother blood sugar, easier weight loss. That's why medications like Ozempic blew up. They work because they mimic your natural GLP-1. But here's the truth almost no one talks about. Your body produces its own GLP-1 on its own, but your hormones and your diet determine whether that happens or whether it's basically switched off. In this video, I'm diving into how hormones control GLP-1, how your diet influences hormonal balance, and why most people's GLP-1 is suppressed, the exact eating style that naturally increases GLP-1, and how to pair diet plus hormone balance for crazy metabolic improvements. And before we jump in, be sure to stay until the end, where I'm going to provide you a 50% discount code for the GLP-1 Ignite 14-day protocol mentioned in the description, normally a $47 value. Let's get to it. Here's the big idea. When your hormones are balanced and your diet supports those hormones, your GLP-1 naturally increases and weight loss becomes easier, blood sugar stabilizes, and cravings disappear. Hormones create the environment. Diet gives your body the raw materials. Without hormone balance, your diet doesn't work. Without dietary support, your hormones struggle. Put them together, that's where the magic happens. So, what does GLP-1 actually do and why does diet matter? You may know GLP-1 as the satiety hormone, but it's much more than that. It's the quarterback for your metabolic team. Here are 4 functions of GLP-1. Number 1, GLP-1 tells your body you're full. But here's the twist. GLP-1 is produced in your gut based on what you eat and whether your hormones are stable enough to allow it. Number 2, GLP-1 improves insulin response. A balanced diet helps your insulin sensitivity. Hormones control the sensitivity itself. Number 3, GLP-1 slows digestion. The wrong diet, like ultra-processed carbs, low protein, low fiber, lowers GLP-1 and speeds up digestion, causing spikes and crashes. Number 4, GLP-1 reduces inflammation. Your diet either inflames you or calms you. See where I'm going with this? GLP-1 isn't a standalone hormone. It's part of a whole metabolic system controlled by hormones and powered by your diet. Let's now take a look at the hormones that control GLP-1 and the foods that support them. The first hormone that controls GLP-1 is insulin. But if you're insulin resistant, you will not release GLP-1 properly, no matter what you eat. To support insulin through diet, you need to prioritize protein every meal, add fiber, veggies, chia, flax, legumes, swap refined carbs for whole food carbs, add healthy fats for stability. When insulin resistance resolves as a result of eating this way, then insulin sensitivity is restored and GLP-1 goes up. The next hormone that controls GLP-1 is cortisol, your stress hormone. High cortisol destroys GLP-1 signaling. Diet can either calm cortisol or fuel it. Foods that stabilize cortisol are high-protein breakfasts, omega-3 rich foods, magnesium-rich foods like greens and pumpkin seeds and cocoa, slow-digesting carbs such as sweet potatoes, quinoa, beans, foods that raise cortisol, caffeine bombs on an empty stomach, high-sugar snacks, ultra-processed foods. When you lower cortisol, higher GLP-1 results. The third hormone, or should I say hormone team, is estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen helps trigger GLP-1, and progesterone supports gut function, and GLP-1 is made in the gut. Again, diet plays a massive role here. Foods that support estrogen balance are flaxseed, cruciferous vegetables, berries, fermented foods. Foods that support progesterone are vitamin B6 rich foods like salmon and chickpeas and bananas. And magnesium rich foods, healthy fats like avocado and olive oil. Once your sex hormones are balanced, you get better GLP-1 release. However, if you no longer are able to balance hormones due to perimenopause or menopause, diet alone will not work. No worries, though. I help women every day balance their hormones, not only with food, but also with natural bioidentical options. If you're wondering if your ability to balance hormones on your own is diminished, download my free Hormone Harmony or Havoc quiz that's described in the description below. The fourth hormone to control GLP-1 is testosterone. Yes, diet matters here too. Low testosterone equals low muscle mass, which equals low GLP-1 response. Foods that support testosterone are high protein intake, zinc-rich foods like beef and pumpkin seeds, eggs, healthy fats, foods that reduce inflammation. And if you add strength training, whoa, GLP-1 increases even faster. Our natural bioidentical hormone packages also include testosterone replacement when indicated. The fifth hormone to control GLP-1 is thyroid hormone. Thyroid controls digestion and gut health. To support thyroid through diet, you will need adequate iodine, which you can get from eggs and seafood, selenium, which you can get from Brazil nuts and salmon, zinc from meat and pumpkin seeds, and protein. Yes, again, protein. Low thyroid leads to low GLP-1, but a supported thyroid leads to better metabolic hormones and higher GLP-1. Not to sound like a broken record, but more often than not, women require natural thyroid hormone replacement also after the change, menopause. Don't think of thyroid as a medication, because it's not. We do not have deficiencies in our body of medications. We do have deficiencies in our body of hormones, and those need to be replaced. However, you want to avoid the conventional system solution of thyroid medications like Synthroid and levothyroxine. These drugs are not in your best interest, and I can talk more about those in another video. The sixth hormone is leptin. Leptin and GLP-1 work together. Diet to support leptin includes higher protein, fewer ultra-processed foods, more fiber, consistent meal timing, less snacking, fixed leptin, and GLP-1 finally works. Okay, we have covered a lot so far. We're almost to the finish line. I would be amiss, though, if I didn't talk about the big myths. Myth number 1. Diet alone can fix GLP-1. Nope, wrong. If hormones are wrecked, no amount of kale will save it. Myth number 2. GLP-1 is all about appetite. The truth is, it's about digestion, inflammation, metabolic flexibility, insulin response. It's about everything. Myth number 3. GLP-1 meds fix the root cause. Wrong. These drugs mimic a hormone your body's supposed to make, but in such a large quantity that often it results in severe side effects. They don't fix why your body stopped making it. Myth number 4. Hormones decline because you're aging. Nah, they decline because your lifestyle and diet don't support them. Let's now get to the meat and potatoes. No pun intended. But we have to now talk about the GLP-1 hormone balance diet. 7 easy steps. This is where hormones plus diet finally join forces. Step 1. You have to prioritize protein. Protein is the number 1 GLP-1 trigger. Protein stimulates GLP-1 more than any other macronutrient. You want to aim for 30 to 40 grams of protein per meal. You can do this with easy wins like eggs and turkey sausage for breakfast, Greek yogurt plus chia, salmon plus veggies. chicken plus quinoa, grass-fed beef plus greens. Protein causes GLP-1 release, which leads to appetite control. Step 2, eat more soluble fiber. Soluble fiber is the natural GLP-1 booster. Sources like chia seeds, flaxseed, beans, berries, apples. Fiber feeds the gut cells, and the gut cells release GLP-1. Step 3, add healthy fats for hormone stability. Your hormones are literally made from fat. GLP-1 loves avocado, olive oil, nuts, salmon, pasture-raised eggs. These stabilize digestion and blood sugar, supporting GLP-1. Step 4, build plates that balance hormones. Every meal should follow this pattern: protein, the GLP-1 trigger, fiber for gut support, healthy fats for hormone building blocks, and optionally, you can add slow carbs for cortisol balance. It's not complicated. It's just the opposite of what most people do. Step 5, stop grazing all day. Constant eating prevents GLP-1 spikes. You need real meals so GLP-1 can actually fire. 3 meals, maybe 1 strategic snack, that's it. Step 6, ditch the ultra-processed foods. These destroy hormone signaling and suppress GLP-1. They cause insulin spikes, blood sugar crashes, gut inflammation, hormone depletion. Whole real foods equals more GLP-1. Ultra-processed foods equals GLP-1 shut down. And step 7, hydrate properly. Even slight dehydration increases cortisol and suppresses GLP-1. Aim for half your body weight in ounces and add electrolytes if you are very active. Okay, let's put this puzzle all together. Here's what's actually happening when you combine hormone balance, GLP-1 focused diet, better sleep, strength training, stress reduction. Your body finally stops fighting you. Symptoms calm down, cravings disappear, portion sizes shrink naturally. Your blood sugar stabilizes, and weight loss stops feeling like a battle of wills because you're not trying to lose weight anymore. You're simply working with your hormones, not against them. Here's the bottom line: you don't need injections to get GLP-1. You need a hormone balanced body and a diet that supports the hormones running the show. This is how you unlock natural appetite control, smooth out your metabolism, and get results that actually last. And as promised at the beginning of this video, the 50% discount coupon code for the GLP-1 Ignite 14-day protocol is Dr. Cheryl 50, uppercase letters. Use it and learn how you can get the GLP-1 14-day protocol completely free. The link is in the description below. And if you have any questions, drop me a comment below and I will respond as soon as possible. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if your weight loss plan is still struggling, check out the video on the screen and find out what other hormone deficiency may be the cause. This one will surprise you.